Hello! Video of a test of the emergency opening and starting of Porsche Cayenne 2019 and BMW X5 2020 with the AMP7.0 device. This is the AMP7.0 device for the emergency opening and starting cars. Tested car Porsche Cayenne 2019. From the flashing of the red LED, it is clear that the car is under the factory security system. We turn on the AMP7.0 small unit. Touch the handle of the driver's door and open the car. We enter and put the switched-on small unit on the central console. We turn on the ignition and according to the indication on the dashboard we see that the engine has started. The automatic transmission is unlocked and the car is ready to move. We stop. And then start the engine. Turn off the small unit and stop the engine again. It can be seen that when the small unit is turned off, the engine does not start. We turn on the small unit and restart the engine. The test is completed successfully. This is another tested car, BMW X5 2020. We turn on the small unit. And open the car. Enter. Put the switched-on small unit on the central console and press the start button. The indication on the dashboard shows that the engine started. We press the start button again and turn off the engine. The test is completed successfully. Thanks all for watching.